Blender Shader and Texturing Quiz. Question 1. Question: what is the shortcut to access the shader editor in Blender? Answer is: the shortcut to open the shader editor is Shift plus F3. Question 2. Question: how do you add a new material to an object in Blender? Answer is: to add a new material, go to the Material Properties tab and click New. Question 3. Question: what is the function of the Principled BSDF shader in Blender? Answer is: the Principled BSDF shader is an all-in-one shader that combines multiple properties like diffuse, metallic, roughness, and more for PBR material. Question 4. Question: how can you connect to nodes in the shader editor? Answer is: to connect to nodes, click and drag from the output socket of one node to the input socket of another. Question 5. Question: how do you add an image texture node in the shader editor? Answer is: press Shift plus A, go to Texture, and select Image Texture. Question 6. Question: how do you create a glass material in Blender? Answer is: use the Glass BSDF shader or set the transmission value in the Principled BSDF shader to 1.0 and adjust the roughness for a frosted or clear look. Question 7. Question: how do you assign an image texture to a model in Blender? Answer is: add an image texture node, load the desired image, and connect it to the base color input of the Principled BSDF shader. Question 8. What is the role of the normal map in Blender shading? Answer is: a normal map simulates surface details like bumps and dents by altering the way light interacts with a surface, giving the illusion of depth without adding geometry. Question 9. Question: how do you switch from cycles to Eevee render engine? Answer is, go to the Render Properties tab and select Eevee or Cycles from the drop-down menu under the Render Engine section. Question 10. Question: what node is used to add transparency to a material in Blender? Answer is, the Transparent BSDF node is used to add transparency to a material. Question 11. Question: how do you combine two shaders in Blender using a mix shader? Answer is, add a mix shader node. Connect the two shaders to the shader inputs and adjust the factor to blend between them. Question 12. What is the difference between a glossy BSDF and a diffuse BSDF? Answer: a glossy BSDF reflects light sharply, giving a shiny or reflective appearance, while a diffuse BSDF scatters light in multiple directions, giving a matte finish. Question 13. How do you add bump mapping to a shader in Blender? Answer is, add a bump node, connect a texture node, like a grayscale image, to its height input, and connect the normal output of the bump node to the normal input of your shader. Question 14. Question: how do you preview the texture on an object in the 3D viewport? Answer is, press Z and select Material Preview to see the shader applied in the viewport. Question 15. Question: how do you tile a texture across a surface in Blender? Answer is, use a mapping node to adjust the scale values and repeat the texture across the surface. Question 16. How do you add ambient occlusion to a shader in Blender? Answer is use the ambient occlusion node and connect it to the shader, usually plugging it into the base color or factor input of a mix. Question 17. Question: how do you create a glowing material in Blender? Answer is use an emission shader and increase its strength value to make the material glow. You can combine it with other shaders using a mix shader. Question 18. Question: how do you bake a texture in Blender? Answer is in cycles. Go to the render properties, set the bake type to the desired option like diffuse or normal and click bake. Question 19. Question: what does the emission shader do in Blender? Answer is the emission shader makes the material self-illuminate, meaning it emits light rather than reflecting it. Question 20. How do you add procedural noise to a texture in Blender? Answer is add a noise texture node and connect it to a shader input like base color or roughness to introduce randomness and variation. Question 21. Question: how do you use an HDRI image for lighting in Blender? Answer is go to the world properties, add an environment texture node in the shader editor, load the HDRI image and connect it to the background node. Question 22. What is the purpose of the subsurface scattering (SSS) in the Principled BSDF shader? Answer is subsurface scattering simulates light penetrating the surface of a material like skin or wax and scattering inside before exiting. Question 23. Question. How do you assign different materials to different parts of the same object? Answer is in Edit mode, select the desired faces, go to the Material Properties tab, and click Assign after selecting or creating a new material. Question 24. How do you change the base color of a shade using a texture and adjust its brightness? Add an image texture node and connect it to the base color input, then use a color ramp node or adjust the color values to control the brightness. Question 25. Question. How do you animate a texture in Blender? Answer is use keyframes to animate values in the mapping node or other shader nodes like the image texture node.